In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline in Microsoft Word. Enhancing your documents in Microsoft Word by underlining text is not only easy, but also an effective way to draw attention to important information. Whether you're drafting a report, crafting an invitation, or preparing a resume, the ability to underline text can be quite useful. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, ensuring you know exactly how to make the most out of this simple but powerful formatting feature. To kick things off, we'll start with the very basics. Opening Microsoft Word on your computer. Begin by finding the Windows Start menu. It's usually located in the bottom left corner of your screen, symbolized by the Windows logo. Once you've located the Start menu, you're ready for the next step. Now, within the Start menu, there's a search bar waiting for your input. Click into this search bar and type Word. As you begin to type, you'll notice that Windows is quick to suggest applications that match your input. Look for Microsoft Word in the list of suggested applications. It's typically identified by its iconic blue document logo. Once you've spotted Microsoft Word, go ahead and click on it. This action will launch the application, bringing you to the familiar interface of Microsoft Word. If it's your first time, don't worry, the interface is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Upon opening Microsoft Word, you'll be greeted with various options to start your document adventure. For our purposes, you can either click on Blank Document to start with a fresh page, or select a recent document from your list if you're planning to underline text in an existing document. Whichever route you choose, you'll soon be on the virtual canvas of Microsoft Word, ready to apply some formatting magic. With your document open in front of you, the next step is to select the text you wish to underline. Click and drag your mouse over the specific words or phrases. As you highlight the text, you'll notice it becomes shaded, indicating it's selected. Now for the main event, underlining your selected text, look towards the top of the Word interface, somewhere along the ribbon of tools that span the top of your screen, for the Font group. Within this group of formatting options, you'll find the Underline button, typically represented by the letter U, underlined. Click this button once and presto, your selected text is now underlined. It's worth mentioning a couple of tips to enhance your underlining endeavors. First, know that Microsoft Word offers more underlining styles than just the basic single line. By clicking the small arrow next to the Underline button, you can explore various underlining options, including double underlining, dotted, and even wave type underlines. This selection allows for customization and creativity in your documents, enabling you to underline text in a way that best suits your document's purpose and style. Another useful tip is to remember the keyboard shortcut for underlining text, which is Ctrl+U for Windows users. This can be a real time saver, especially if you're working on a longer document or find yourself formatting text frequently. Simply select your text and press Ctrl+U to apply or remove an underline, streamlining your workflow significantly. In conclusion, underlining text in Microsoft Word is a simple process that can be accomplished in just a few steps. Whether you're aiming to emphasize certain parts of your document or differentiate sections visually, knowing how to apply underlining effectively is an essential skill in your Word formatting toolkit. Remember to explore the various styles available and make use of keyboard shortcuts to enhance your productivity. With the knowledge you've gained today, you're now equipped to make your documents more engaging and informative with just a few clicks.